Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. My name is Lokus Techno Yogi. Today is a very important subject we'll discuss and we learn about. The name is Pranayama. The name Pranayama is Kapalabhati. So Kapalbhati is a yoga kriya, but why consider the pranayama? Why consider you pranayama as a Kapalabhati? So this is the simple. The pranayama is the main principle. Control, regulations, expense. It is a principle of pranayama. So it is follow of Kapalabhati. So this is consider of pranayama like a Kapalabhati. So today those are suffering like a sophisticated acidity, yeah, gastric related problem and lots of things. According to Ramdev Baba and according to many rishis telling about the Kapalabhati, if you practice the Kapalabhati, that means remove like 90 disease, solve it. Yeah, definitely solve it. I have experienced this Kapalabhati Pranayama and it's very simple. So try every day, morning and evening. When you practice, try to must be empty your stomach. Then after you practice, you have any problem, then firstly you consult any yogi therapist, any doctor, then after will start your Kapalabhati. So firstly sit comfortable any asana. So I'm sitting the uh, sukhasana. Yeah, you have comfortable like a padmasana. This is the half padmasana, and then after this the full lotus posture. And if you first a beginner, you can catch like that, catch your knee. Otherwise you can take your chin mudra. Spine should be erect. When you practice any pranayama, must be spine erect. This is more important. Then after get more benefit any pranayama. So let us start. Sit comfortable and firstly 3 and 4 times deep inhale and deep exhale. So solo follow my cousin. So let us start. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Follow my instruction. Follow me. Firstly, I'm telling inhale, then that time you try to inhale, and that time I'm telling exhale, that time you breathing out. So let's start again. Awareness must be awareness, that more important. So let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hut, 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 hut. Now deep inhale and exhale. So this is the process. Forcefully exhale, active and inhalations pace it very slowly and don't bother about inhalation. Only concentrate and focus and concentrate breathing out. And when breathing out, that time you try to stomach inside. Like for example, when you pumping, so like a hut, 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 hut. But don't speak like hunch, hunch. For example, I'm giving that time. But when you exhalation, means stomach inside. So beginners start 15 times. So slowly, gradually increase 120 into 6 round. This enough. Don't more practice. And this is a very good frontal head cleansing. So this name is Kapal Bhati. Kapal means frontal head. Bhati means standing. So when you practice the head face slowly more and more shining, and also the mind nerves parasympathetic nerves stimulate when you practice the Kapal Bhati. This is a very good pranayama, and also is kriya, the cleansing process of muscles, lungs, and body. When you practice this, very good. And also those are suffering like a stomach fatty, so also reduce your fat and really more and more flexibility. Lungs should be more and more expand when you practice the Kapal Bhati. So again I will remind you. So firstly, deep inhale, deep exhale. But when you practice, don't telling deep inhale and exhale. Just deep inhale. Relax. So starting beginner 15 and slowly gradually increase 120 times into 6 round. So just say I'm practice 2 and 3 round now. So when you practice, spine should be straight, look straight. Do not try no, spine erect, look straight, and good posture. Don't walking, standing. That time practice your Kapalbhati. Always sitting position, Padmasana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, या Vajrasana. This is the comfortable. Yeah, you can take your chair, yeah, bed. When you not comfortable sitting posture, you can take your chair. Then after you practice, this is the Kapalabhati. Thank you so much. Please like my videos, and this is then next video I will create. And you have any question, any doubt, you can definitely ask me comment section. Yeah, my personal mobile number. My mobile number is 90748374 and 70. This is the only calling purpose. And you can contact my Facebook, facebook.com/yogi love. Okay, thank you so much.